Hi, I just want to show you how to fit the KW Alfa Romeo 147 GTA GT 3.2 or any engines, and also the 156, which they have those kind of struts, because they're all pretty much the same. So you will get as a kit the strut, the spring, and that small aluminium plate. So the way you do them, put them together, is put the spring, put the aluminium plate on top. This is the original strut plate which you need from the old ones. Goes like that. This is a brand new engine top mount, shock absorber top mount, which goes in there. Conical washer. One nut's on top of it. You tied it up. Just a small neat, and after you will check it by hand. 8mm on the top, and 17mm the nut, and after you will put the second locking nut on top of it, and you will adjust the height of the car with that gear, which goes just screw up and down. So you don't have to worry too much the things, because of course you can turn it on the car the way it goes, so it's pretty much still like so. So the dot here lined with the bracket which goes into the fork. Okay, thank you.